Um, on behalf of Global Online University, here is an important announcement to everyone who is waiting for the hall tickets for your NTA UGC NET examination. There is an announcement from NTA with a public notice which is dated 1st of October 2021. They have rescheduled the examination dates. The older dates were that is from 6th of October to 8th of October and 17th of October to 19th of October. But due to the clashes with some major examinations on 6th and 7th, the dates have been rescheduled, and the new dates are, that is Sunday 17th of October to 25th of October. Sunday 17th of October it will start, and it will run on to 25th of October. The rest of the remaining information regarding your hall tickets will updated by NTA UGCNet as and then. But till now, this is an important announcement, and now you have got important time. So please keep on practicing well. We have a crash course at that is with the help of Global Online University. You can join the crash course of our crash course for paper 1, where you will be getting a time to prepare yourself. You have now 16 days time for preparing yourself, so utilize your time well and prepare for your examination well. All the best for your preparation. Make fruitful use of this extra time. Thank you, everyone.